Hello everyone, we are making chocolate banana cake. The next step, we are cutting the banana. We're gonna put the banana in there. Egg, sugar and milk. The next step, we're gonna mix again. The next step, we're gonna put the baking powder, flour, chocolate powder. This is my favorite. Now I'm gonna mix again. And now we're gonna put the chocolate beans. I put it in here already. Mommy! Wow, finish! I will make new video if you want my channel.